We get tired due to a combination of physiological, psychological, and environmental factors. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. Energy depletion. Physical activities, mental tasks, and bodily functions consume energy. Over time, as energy reserves deplete, the body and brain signal the need to rest and restore energy levels. 2. Circadian rhythms. Our bodies operate on a roughly 24-hour cycle, known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep-wake patterns. This internal clock is influenced by light and darkness, causing us to feel awake during the day and sleepy at night. 3. Sleep pressure. The longer we stay awake, the more a chemical called adenosine builds up in the brain, increasing sleep pressure. This accumulation makes us feel increasingly tired as the day progresses, signaling the need for sleep to clear the adenosine and restore alertness. 4. Hormonal regulation. Hormones like melatonin, which increases in response to darkness, promote sleepiness. Cortisol, which peaks in the morning, helps us wake up and feel alert. Imbalances or disruptions in these hormones can affect our energy levels and cause fatigue. 5. Nutritional factors. Diet plays a significant role in how energetic or tired we feel. Poor nutrition, dehydration, and lack of essential nutrients can lead to fatigue. Consuming a balanced diet with adequate hydration helps maintain energy levels. 6. Physical health. Health conditions such as anemia, thyroid disorders, and chronic illnesses can cause persistent fatigue. Additionally, infections and illnesses trigger an immune response, which often leads to tiredness, as the body directs energy toward fighting off pathogens. 7. Mental and emotional factors. Stress, anxiety, and depression can drain mental energy and contribute to feelings of fatigue. Mental tasks that require prolonged concentration and cognitive effort can also lead to tiredness. 8. Environmental factors. Factors such as insufficient or poor quality sleep, lack of physical activity, and exposure to artificial light at night can disrupt sleep patterns and contribute to daytime tiredness. Environmental factors like noise, temperature, and comfort also affect sleep quality. 9. Lifestyle choices. Habits like irregular sleep schedules, excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption, and lack of physical activity can negatively impact energy levels and contribute to fatigue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.